Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. And so here I am recording this on Saturday, April 6th, after the market closed on Friday, April 5th, with AMC closing at a price of $3.01, being just above $3 a share, having hit a new all-time low over the course of the week of $2.93.5, and over the course of the week being down just about 19%, just a little bit over. So, not looking so good there as far as how far the stock price has come down, but it is pretty cheap, and I think that is a good way to think about it. Also, it did close above $3 a share, and, I think it's important to consider options and that this did close above the $3 strike. So bulls are in slight favor there. And if we do flip over to the max pain chart for this upcoming week, the max pain is at $3.50, so up 50 cents or 49 cents from current price. And actually for the next few weeks, max pain is right around $3.50, if not higher. So I do think that is looking good, and I do also think there could be some bottoming signs that I will go over in just a minute. But, those also could just be kind of hopium, as price could continue to go down, so do be cautious of that. But here, looking at the chart, we can see this downtrending channel. I wanted to go back to the origin, which is based on the trading day of August 24th of 2023, when we had this 1-for-10 reverse split. And so price has resided more or less in or around that channel. And so I do think that is a good representation of where price could be going or residing for the next few months. And so my understanding of this shaded channel is that it represents one standard deviation of price spanning that range. And so we have been in the upper part of that a fair amount, but for the most part, we have either resided right around the middle or in the red. When in the red, that does represent a good time to buy, and we are just about there currently. But before I do zoom into the chart, I did want to point out this one thing that does stand out to me as potentially bullish. It might stand out to you. I do have this uptrending line here drawn on the RSI that I drew after last week. And so from this line, I do connect the low from over here, January 17th, which was an RSI of 18.05. And then I did draw it up here, but actually we did go lower following that. So if I do adjust this line, we still do have higher lows in the RSI, with the current RSI being at 25.75. And so with higher lows in the RSI and lower lows in the stock price, that does represent bullish divergence. And if we do look at the RSI now, it does look like it could be flattening out, could be turning around. So we might very well be seeing a bottom, or have potentially already seen it, and perhaps seeing some up moves next week, going to maybe $3.50 for next Friday. And also, I did want to point out this other point with the RSI right in front of Ed's face there. You can see this low here, which was just after the reverse split. And our current RSI is higher than that. This RSI was 22.75. We are 3 points above that, and price is lower. So again, that is bullish divergence. So hopefully we can see the price turn around soon. And then just zooming in on the chart here, one thing that I do find pretty interesting is we have, following this big down move on the first, coming down over 15.5% on the day, we really have just been residing right along that midpoint of that shaded downtrending channel. And so I am wondering if we might be finding some support right around there, but I would look for, if we are to continue lower, a close below $2.93.5. I do think that would suggest a continuation, but if we don't get a close lower than that, that could suggest that the bottom is in here, as following that day, while we did see a lower close, so on Thursday, on the 4th, we did close at a price of $3 a share. The day previous, we closed at $3.02 on Wednesday. While we did put in a lower close on Thursday, we did not go lower than that low. And so I do think that suggests some strength Also, with Friday's close being 1 cent above Thursday's, I do think price could be going higher, perhaps to test this downtrending white line that I have drawn here, which does look like it had acted as some support over here, resistance here as well, and also does go back in time, having acted as support. And so hopefully that is going to be retested in this coming week, getting back to perhaps $3.67, closing above $3.50. I think that would be great. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.